Namaste and hello everybody. So guys, are you facing relationship issues? Let's find out via tarot that what the issue is and what is the solution for that. And I have already shuffled the deck. This will be a 5 card reading where I will be including obstacle card and advice card, including the past, present, future cards. So let's have a look. So this is the past card. This is the present card. Future card. Guys, if you cannot see the cards, you need not worry. While explaining, I will show you the cards. So this is the past card. This is the present card. This is the future card. Obstacle card and the advice card. So guys, with the past card, it clearly shows that there was a new beginning with respect to this connection, this relationship. You both, or maybe you saw something unique, something different in this person, and that is why you came into this connection, you came into this relationship. This is what I can see, and you had a lot of ideas within yourself, or you both had some of the other plans or something, and hence you both came together. This is what I see. Currently in some sort of thing, you need to have courage, and you have that courage in you. Only the thing is, there is a lack of patience somewhere. This is what I see. As you can see this picture, this flower growing, and it takes, be it a plant, be it a flower, be it a tree, it takes so much of time to completely bloom up, right? So this is what this card is saying, that courage, you need to have that courage. You have, just you need to have patience, and with patience you can deal whatever you're going through. This is what I would say, that you need to have that courage. Again, I will say the same thing. The future card, I see some of them letting go of something, maybe because you're not able to keep that patience, that courage. That is why you're letting go of few things in this connection in near future. This is what I would say. Or else now also few of them, it may be a thing that you are not considering few things. You're just ignoring it. You're maybe ignoring to confront or to discuss everything in detail. Obstacle card, maturity. Here you have to show the utmost maturity which is missing in this connection, in this relationship currently. Now this can be from your side, this can be from other side, or both the sides. This is what I see clearly. So you have to think little practically over here, but you also need to apply your emotions also. Don't just think too much logically, too much practically. Also use your emotions. That is the real maturity. This is what I would say. With full balance you have to do everything, and that is somewhere missing. This is what I see. The advice card is clearly saying you need to have a clear cut, transparent conversation. Each and everything that is going on, be it misunderstanding or whatever it is, you need to have a clear cut conversation about it. You cannot avoid things. This is the advice for you guys. You need to become mature with respect to this connection, this relationship, by talking, speaking to each other, each and everything. Maybe the opposite person or you may get hurt in this, but you need to have a clear cut conversation. This is the advice that you're getting. So I hope you got the solution for your issue. Just work on it. This is what I would say. Thank you.